called Ghiyāth al-Dīn. Jamshīd Masʿūd al-Kāshī was a Persian astronomer and mathematician. Much of al-Kāshī's work was not brought to Europe, and much, even the extant work, remains unpublished in any form. Biography. Al-Kāshī was one of the best mathematicians in the history of the Persian Empire. He was born in 1380, in Kashan, in central Iran. This region was controlled by Tamerlane, better known as Timur. The situation changed for the better when Timur died in 1405, and his son, Shahrukh, ascended into power. Shahrukh and his wife, Ghiyāth, a Persian princess, were very interested in the sciences, and they encouraged the court to study the various fields in great depth. Consequently, the period of the power became one of many scholarly accomplishments. This was the perfect environment for al-Kāshī to begin his career as one of the world's greatest mathematicians. 8 years after he came into power in 1409, the son, Ali Beg, founded an institute in Samarkand which soon became a prominent university. Students from all over the Middle East and beyond flocked to this academy in the capital city of Ali Beg's empire. Consequently, Ali Beg gathered many great mathematicians and scientists of the Middle East. In 1414, al-Kāshī took this opportunity to contribute vast amounts of knowledge to his people. His best work was done in the court of Ali Beg. Al-Kāshī was still working on his book, called Risala al-Waljab, meaning the treatise on the Cordon sign, when he died, probably in 1429. Some scholars believe that Ali Beg may have ordered his murder, while others say he died a natural death. Astronomy. Kakani Zij. Al-Kāshī produced his Zij entitled the Kakani Zij, which was based on Nizir al-Din al-Tusi's earlier Zij Ilkhani. In his Kakani Zij, al-Kāshī thanks the Timurid Sultan and mathematician astronomer Ali Beg, who invited al-Kāshī to work at his observatory in his university, which taught Shia theology as well as Shia science. Al-Kāshī produced sign tables to 4 sexagesimal digits of accuracy for each degree and includes differences for each minute. He also produced tables dealing with transformations between coordinate systems on the celestial sphere, such as the transformation from the ecliptic coordinate system to the equatorial coordinate system. Astronomical treatise on the size and distance of heavenly bodies. He wrote the book Salam al-Sama on the resolution of difficulties met by predecessors in the determination of distances and sizes of heavenly bodies such as the Earth, the Moon, the Sun and the stars. Treatise on astronomical observational instruments. In 1416, al-Kāshī wrote the Treatise on astronomical observational instruments, which described a variety of different instruments, including the triquetraman armillary sphere, the equinoctial armillary and solstitial armillary of Moayyad-Nurdi, the sine and Vaccine instrument of Urdi, the sextant of al-Kushandi, the Fakri sextant at the Samarkand Observatory, a double quadrant azimuth altitude instrument he invented, and a small armillary sphere incorporating an alhadade which he invented. Plate of conjunctions. Al-Kāshī invented the plate of conjunctions, an analog computing instrument used to determine the time of day at which planetary conjunctions will occur, and for performing linear interpolation. Planetary computer. Al-Kāshī also invented a mechanical planetary computer which he called the plate of zones, which could graphically solve a number of planetary problems, including the prediction of the true positions in longitude of the Sun and Moon, and the planets in terms of elliptical orbits, the latitudes of the Sun, Moon, and planets, and the ecliptic of the Sun. The instrument also incorporated an alhadade and ruler. Biographical film. In 2009, IRIB produced and broadcast the biographical historical film series on the life and times of Jamshīd al-Kāshī. with the title The Ladder of the Sky. The series, which consists of 15 parts of each 45 minutes duration, is directed by Muhammad Hossein Latifi and produced by Mohsen Ali Akbari. In this production, the role of the adult Jamshīd al-Kāshī is played by Vahid Jalilvand.